Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. You're signed into an administrator account and Windows Update is current. Network must be stable. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Microsoft Store and choose Reset. That clears cache and most registration hiccups. Once done, make sure you reboot the PC to apply changes. A restart finalizes background service resets. If the store still won't open after reboot, keep this session running and move to re-register and service checks next. Now you'll re-register the app and confirm core services. Open PowerShell as administrator and run the re-register command for Microsoft Store to repair package registration. This restores missing manifests. Next, open services and ensure Windows Update, Store Service, and License Manager are running and set to manual or automatic. Once done, execute WS Reset. EXE to clear extended cache, then launch the store to test. If it opens, you're almost finished. If not, proceed to account and system repairs. Finish by validating your account and system integrity. Sign out of the store, remove your Microsoft account from settings, then add it back. This refreshes tokens and licenses. Run command prompt as admin, sfc/scano to fix corrupt files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image. Once done, reboot and test the store. If it still fails, create a new local user to isolate profile issues or reinstall the store app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.